Understanding idioms. Be on thin ice. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a very interesting English idiom, be on thin ice. Idioms are phrases that don't mean exactly what their words say, but they are essential in everyday English conversations. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to be on thin ice. The phrase, be on thin ice, is an idiom that means to be in a risky, precarious, or dangerous situation, especially where one could easily make a mistake that leads to trouble or failure. It originates from the literal danger of standing on ice that is too thin to support one's weight, which can lead to falling through into the cold water below. In conversation, it's used to warn someone that they are close to crossing a line or making a big mistake. Let's see how this idiom is used in sentences. 1. After the last mistake, he is really on thin ice with his boss. Here, it means the person is close to losing their job or facing serious consequences due to repeated mistakes. 2. She's on thin ice with her teacher after missing so many classes. This suggests that the student is at risk of facing disciplinary action or failing. 3. If you keep breaking the rules, you'll be on thin ice. This is a warning that continued rule breaking will lead to trouble. When using this idiom, it's important to remember that it has a negative connotation. It's often used as a warning or to express concern. For example, you might say to a friend, "You're on thin ice by not preparing for the exam." It's also common in professional contexts to indicate that someone's job or position is at risk. Be on thin ice is a vivid and useful idiom that can add color to your English conversations. It's a great way to express that someone is in a risky situation without saying it directly. Remember, idioms are a key part of mastering English, and using them correctly can really show off your language skills. We hope this video has helped you understand and use "be on thin ice" confidently. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.